Hello friends, how are you? My name is Goshan and you are watching my YouTube channel Updated Technology. Today in this video, I will tell you how to hide your WhatsApp status from a specific person. Means you can hide your WhatsApp status from only one person or you can choose persons to whom your status can be visible. So let's start today's video. So if you like the video, please subscribe and click the bell icon on all and then like the video. So let's start today's process. First of all, you have to click on three dots in the center and you have to click on setting and then you have to go in privacy. As you can see on the screen, all tutorial is written in the text form also. So here you will find a option telling status. You can click on it. As you can see here, there is an option of status. As you click, you will see here three options: my contacts and two more options. You will see here total three options. After clicking on options one by one, you can select the contacts for whom your status would be visible. You can cancel the contacts for which your status will be hidden. So bye guys.